So once you're into this screen, you're going to see My Powtoons. You don't have any yet because we didn't create any, but when we go back in, they will be here. We don't want to pay attention to this right now. We're just going to create a blank Powtoon. This is what I was telling you about the free trial. See how it says 3 days? So you can use anything that you normally would have to pay for, but it's going to go away and it won't be in your finished product, so you can't use them. Okay, so we're going to hit blank Powtoon. So once you go onto this screen, it's going to ask you for a look. Don't worry about which one you pick because you will be able to switch between the two and get different objects when you're creating. So I'm going to just click on cartoon for now, and it brings you to your dashboard. So depending on your scene, these items change, but you can change between scenes. Okay, so here's some different items, but here's where you change them. So those ones that you saw in the beginning, if you pull down, you'll see you can choose another one. Okay, I'm going to stick with this one for now. Okay, so here is your dashboard. Here's your workspace. So think of this like a Google slide. You add slides, but each slide is timed. Here is the timeline down here. It starts off with 10 seconds, but you can increase by clicking on this plus. You can add time or you can take time away. I'm going to leave it at 10 for now. That means that everything that happens on this slide will happen in 10 seconds. You can now add elements to this slide and time everything that comes in. So we'll start with backgrounds, and if you come over here, you'll see when you hover, it'll tell you everything. So text, backgrounds, objects and characters, props. So I'm going to start with a background. You can pick just a color, or you can actually choose a background that has pictures. Some are clip art. So for now, I'm just going to pick a colored background. I'll click this one to begin. Also, you have to name your Powtoon, so don't forget that. I'm just going to call mine Practice for now. Okay. Now, I have this background, and now I want to insert a character. So I'm going to go over to Characters. Okay, again, make sure we stay with the ones that say free. Okay, Pro, they're going to let you put it in there. It's going to go away in 3 days. Okay, so you can scroll. See, there are some here. I'll click this style. And I'm going to choose this character.